So this first video is going to show you how to get around SketchUp, how to use some of the tools that we've got, and also how to zoom and pan and get around on the environment we've got here. So on the left hand side, this is where we've got our tools. We've got our pointers, our erasers, our fill buckets. We've got the line tool. We've got some arcs and different circular shapes. We've got our rectangles. In there's a few other shapes we might be using. We've got this move tool we'll be using quite a lot, and the push pull tool. And we've got some of the tools we don't really use that much. On the right hand side, this is where we find different properties and different things, and I'll show you what those do in a second. So if we want to rotate around this guy we've got here, I can hold down my mouse button and I can click, and that will rotate around there. I can also hold down my mouse button again and go that way, and we can rotate on that axis as well. If I want to zoom in, maybe on this guy's beautiful brown shoes, I can just push my mouse wheel forward and it will zoom in on his shoes. If I want to come back, I can just roll my mouse wheel back again. If I find that I've zoomed in on a portion of the screen that I don't need and I'm a little bit lost, and I try and zoom back out and I don't really know where I'm going, if you hold down the shift key, which is the one with the arrow on the left hand side of your keyboard, on my keyboard on screen it just says shift. If I hold that down, click my mouse wheel down, I can then just drag around and I can then get that guy back in the frame there.